morning, fellas. Good morning. Good day.
Good morning, beach.
Morning, bitch.
Morning, beach.
Morning, bitches. And
Hi.
here's Natsuki sleeping on the sofa bed. We just deflated. This is the house. So this is our room. We're cleaning up a little. Did you clean your sheet?
Yes,
No, you did not.
I did.
Apparently he did. We're ready for breakfast. Breaking the fast for you. How do you feel like breaking the fast?
What?
You know the breakfast means? You know, stopping the fasting.
Ah.
Alright, we're ready for brekkie. We came in front of the USS Midway Museum. That's an aircraft carrier. Hello. Whoa. That's cool. That is super cool. This is huge. Alright, so we came to the lower deck. And we have the dining commons. The best. Oh. I guess these people eat a lot. Tour continues. This is oops, sorry. Da, 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 da. It's very narrow. Look at this. Whoops! What's even cool about this ship is that we have ship's chapel. It's very like ceiling super low, and you can almost touch it, and it opens up. It's not good. Whoa! It moves.
Oh, it moves.
It was good.
Yeah, the bathroom does remind me of Alcatraz. It's very like it. It's yeah. I don't know what these are for. I think so. Like, look at this. I think it's a cell. Oh my gosh, poor guy.
船の中のジェール的な
Mhm.
Makes sense.
Whoa. What in the world? Like, look at this, man. Can you even fit? What? Is even a bed?
Bread and water.
Oh my god. We do have a similar system in Japan where you can wash your hands and store the water here and just use it for flushing. Alright, so we arrived to this flight deck. Everyone's on the phone. Pretty cool. This massive ship, it goes all the way. All the way. What are you thinking?
I was thinking that's it.
Wait, who's gonna take the photo?
I can.
Well, I can. How many people can ride on the first? Whatever. What's going on? What are you funny? What are you laughing at? Nani? Explain why you're laughing.
Please.
Oh, you can ride that one. Let's go ride that one. Oh, that one too. Skydiving. Oh, pretty small.
おお、マジのやつや。これね。こうやってさ。
Cockpit.
わいわ。深刻な表情した。
Interesting. You ready to jump, guys? Fasten your seatbelt. You alright?
I'm okay.
Why are you spinning?
It's funny.
You're funny. Of course, dude. Wait. Look at this ship. Huh? This is a real ship, dude. You have to have a ticket. It's this way. Hi, girl. You guys, what are you doing? We can't cross it. Too bad. You guys too slow. Idiots. Such an idiot. Just kidding. Sir, no bathing, sir. You cannot bathe in the public. No vaping, sir. Could you stop vaping in public? It's very bad for pollution. It says you can go in, sir. Do not attempt. Do not attempt. Do the parkour, dude. Do the parkour. Woo! Do the parkour. More. Do the parkour, sir. 자, 쟨 parkour였대. Yo. That's parkour? I don't think that's a parkour. Okay. If you consider it as a parkour. Jen, Adio. There's a butt. There's a butt. You know what to do. What? That's okay. Hey, pup. Yeah, there you go. Jack in the Box. Cheap food. Some people get food poisoning after eating Jack in the Box, so beware, you guys. Actually, that's Jessie. Jess from Bridges. She got food poisoning after eating Jack in a Box.
I guess she eat too much. That's what
I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, let's go across this way, guys.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
楽しくなっちゃった。
綺麗、すごい。
ね。
Okay. Kawaii. Run, Forrest. You don't have time. Ta-da! Cheap food.
急に治安悪くなった。急に治安悪くなった。
現実。ターシが持ってるよって。うい。あ、なんか難しいなこれ。難しいな。
Alright. So we got Jack in the Box.
Yay!
Because it's very cheap. Actually, it's my first time trying. What about you? We got ranch dressing.
Oh, good.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Is it okay?
This is mozzarella, I guess.
Mozzarella?
Yeah.
Great. You guys cannot speak or what?
I cannot speak.
Alright, so we got food and so we're walking down and it's pretty warm right now. We're gonna do some activities. We're walking to the rent this little tricycle, and we're gonna go around the city. Tuk-tuk. welcome guys. Tuk tuk.
おじいちゃんちゃんとやってる。
ちょっと漕いでるみんな。ねえ、すごく重いんだけど。
うるさ。
やだねこの音。
ブレーキ。
じゃあブレーキあれなんじゃない？なんだっけこれサイドブレーキ引いたままだからこんな。
ほらー。
So this couple is replicating the statue. It's a very interesting scene over here. And this is our car. Alright, anyone can steer this time. I'm gonna sit here. Alright, so we're driving this little crazy tuk-tuk.
Take two.
Take two. How are you guys doing back there?
Yeah.
Chilling, huh?
Yeah.
You guys not contributing at all.
So sorry.
So sorry.
Utilize the brake. Got it. We have a skilled driver. His name is Tiki.
おい笑うなお前。なんで笑った今。
He's driving a little.
DJ
あ、ほんとしたよね俺。
なんか落としたよな。落としたよ。
Sorry. お前なんで
もう何でも起こすやん。どうしてさ全部落とすの？
マジでクソ。
さっき容量も落としたよでも。
確かにね。そうなんだけどね。ワンちゃんが可愛い頑張っている。
もう僕のロード行こうよ。
おい Sorry.
え、ここ行けるやん。も
え、こっちがよかった。
ああ。
ういいよ。
もういいよ。もういいよ。絶望した。
失望でもない。
残望した。
あ
もうやっぱ名前が良くないんだと思うな。
あ。
それからもう運気がない。船からのたわし。船
So
から
let's show
の
the view.
船からのお量。
お土産のみ撮影してる。意外と違う手間だな。
A lot of ships here. The battery is dying, so I guess this is the last shot. So somehow we were able to see the cruise ship leaves the port.